Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see how to prepare drug dilution, determination of dose value, and calculation of drug amount. Actually, what happened while we are doing the experiments, we need some steps. If we go through that steps, we can easily calculate the drug concentration, dose value, and drug amount. So our first point is drug concentration per kg that we should be aware. So in that case, if we have, you can see here TST sample and three groups of drug and three concentration we are going to give those groups. And second point should be dose volume. What dose volume we should decide while uh, going to give a drug or animal. In that, if rat is there, then we have to choose 5 ml per kg, and if the mice is there, then we are choosing maximum 10 ml per kg, and 2.5 ml per kg we are choosing while we are inducing any drug. So this is the rules and that we have to remember. And next point is determination of drug amount. So that we are generally calculating mg per ml. So, and then the next point is the animal body weight. Animal body weight, suppose we are taking here 300 mg for average, means suppose the group, all groups animals weight is around 300 mg. So we are calculating here generally for easy understand. So I have taken here 300 gram, and for 300 gram, suppose it's red, so we are taking 5 ml per kg. While we are calculating 5 ml per kg dose, then we have to divide the 300 gram with 200, so it will be easily give the result what will be your dose to animals. So it is simple, you have to remember it every time. So 1.5 ml per kg will be the dose to 300 gram animals. So this is dose volume, you can easily calculate by this way. And for 10 ml per kg, in some case we have to give 10 ml per kg in single dose. So in that condition, like toxicity studies, we can take 10 ml per kg dose many times. So in that case, you can calculate it by the 300 gram animals weight will be 300 divided by 100. So it will be around 3 ml per kg. In here you can see that. So you have to give, sorry, here I have written 1 ml per kg. 1 ml, that is wrong. It is 3 ml. And for 2.5 ml, in a special case, sometimes what happen, we have to induce the animals with some drugs. So in that condition, for IP dose maximum we are selecting 2.5 ml per kg, and then for dose calculation rules, you have to divide 300 by 400, whatever the result, it is around 0.75 ml, you have to use the dose. So here dose will be 0.75 ml per kg. These steps you have to follow while you are calculating the drug for while you are preparing dilution and drug for dosing. So it will be easy to you to calculate everything. Then last point is number of animals per group that you have to consider. Now we will go ahead and we will complete this table, and by this you can easily now calculate the dilutions. So here first we will take determination of drug amount mg per ml. So mg per ml you have to decide, so you can easily calculate the large volume. So mg per ml will be the baseline that you have to decide first. Then you can easily calculate the larger volume, what stock you have to prepare. So drug amount mg per ml you have to calculate here. For that I'm preparing a frame for the table. So we will calculate here for 5 ml per kg dose. So we have to fix one dose volume here in this condition. So here 100 ml, 100 mg is dose. So we have to divide it by 5, 100 divided by 5. You have to remember these rules. Whatever the drug concentration amount is, that should be divided by the dose volume. This is rules. By this way you can easily calculate the drug amount mg per ml per ml dose, the mg you can easily determine by this way. Here you can see 900 divided by 5, it is giving 180 mg. So now you have calculated mg per ml. We will go ahead. Here we will write the number of animals which we have decided in per group, that I will fast forward. Here we are taking 6 animals per group. So I'm writing that 6 per group. Now next step is total stock solution. So that we can decide here. How we will calculate here? We have 6 animals and 1.5 that we have to multiply. So we will write here 9. Here those the stock solution we have to prepare little bit more, because uh, the amount of drug that we are going to queue is 9, and more than that we have to calculate, because some drug amount will be stick to the glassware, and the equipment means like injection or the oral gauze, that part it is stick. So here we have taken 15. Now next point is total drug required to be added in this 15 ml. So that should be in mg. So that we will calculate here, and the total drug amount how we will calculate, that we will see in this video. So here mg per ml is 20 and 50 ml we are going to prepare. So we will multiply these two, 20 into 15. So whatever the result will be our total drug amount. So it is here 300. Likewise we will see in second group 60 multiplied by 15, that we will multiply, it is 900. And finally in third group 180 into, we will multiply with 15, so it is 180 into 15. So here you can see it is 2700. So this is how you can calculate easily the dose stock solution, what volume you have to prepare, and finally the what drug we have to add in that. And these 2 point is important while we are calculating, and what number of animals we are going to dose. So this is how you can easily calculate. You can prepare dilution. We can determine dose, volume, and the amount of drug you want. Thank you for watching research.